I include a little video just to show you the quality of the ink. I have actually moved this ribbon off of these spools. You see how they're empty? Because I was testing how universal this would be. Can you tell that my typewriter's a real dinosaur? I got this used at a secondhand shop because I've been looking for one for years, and the ribbon I had typed very, very faintly. So I had to move the ribbon over. The size of the ribbon itself was fine. But when you take these spools off, the typewriter I have, shoot. I don't really want to mess with this thing again. Okay. And see how that hole is so large? Then these have such a teeny tiny hole. There's no way you'd ever get it on there. But other than that, I was able to insert it, and this was the cartridge for my old ribbon. I just wound it up with my finger like that, and it worked just fine. It's really hard to buy for an older typewriter. I just thought I'd do a review of what it's like to do for an older typewriter. Go to bed, honey. And I just tried to type two of the same. What am I doing? This isn't a computer, it won't type 2. Anyway, ignore me, but don't ignore this. Lovely color. Nice to have new ribbon. Thanks for the opportunity to review this product.